Hi everybody, Tammy here, welcome to my channel, and I'm in the dolly sewing room. I need to look through my fabric, so yeah, let's head over here. Some of my fabric's up here. This is a lot of my fat quarters, so these chicks are going to probably have to get out of the way soon. I'm doing a Bridgerton collaboration with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Marna over at Dolls Rescued. We are picking a doll of our choice and creating a gorgeous evening gown for them, because if you've ever watched any of the Bridgerton episodes, you will know, or even if you haven't, maybe just Google Bridgerton. One of the main things that they do on the show, they go to balls all the time. So they dress up to the nines, they have beautiful jewelry, they have amazing gowns. So I'm going to try to use whatever I have. Oh, there's some sparkly stuff down there. That's in my stash. I'm going to try not to go shopping. I'm trying to use what I have, and I have a lot, as you can see. So hold on here. Let me look through the fabric and get right back with you and see what I picked out to attempt my Bridgerton gown. As I was looking through my fabric, I found some of this print here, and I have some that is similar. This actually is from a collection I got a while back from the Jane Austen collection, and I have used it quite a bit. This particular print, I don't think I've made any. Have I made anything with this? I know the other prints in the collection I made quite a bit, but I don't think I've used this yet. So I have this, and then I also have this leftover satin that I used for the Dolls Rescue, and I did a flapper competition. And so I have this. So I'm kind of thinking of making a dress where this is the top and then this is like an underskirt. And yeah, so to find out what doll I use, okay, I'm kind of waffling on that right now, I got to admit. But I'm going to have to make a decision soon because I have to cut my pattern out and get stitching. But to find out which doll I use for this, make sure you hang out to the end of the video and you can find out. I think if it works out like I think, this doll is going to look amazing in this. So fingers crossed, it's all going to work well. Once you've watched my video, of course, make sure you head over to the other people that are in this collaboration with me. I will put an @ down below for each of their channels. They are all super, super talented artists and seamstresses and seamstress people. So you want to make sure you see what they're going to be doing, and I'm super curious about what they end up creating. Alright guys, before I reveal the doll, which you may be able to guess she is in the middle of these two other dolls, I wanted to mention when I was picking out fabric, I was like, you know, I don't think I've made anything with this fabric. Yes, I have. Duh. This actually happens to be Helena. She's from A Girl for All Times, and she's actually supposed to be from the Regency era. She is wearing a dress I made for her, and you know, honestly, it's a little too short, and it would need to have sleeves, but it's pretty close to something that at least a younger girl would wear during that time period. And I should also mention that, you know, we're doing a Bridgerton collaboration here, and as one of the actors or the actresses that I've been watching some videos of them mentions, Bridgerton is not necessarily meant to be specifically the Regency period. She called it Regency period reimagined, and so so I thought that's a better way to go about describing Bridgerton for anybody out there who poo-poos its accuracy as far as the time period, because it is not accurate. So this chick over here is another Girl for All Time doll. She is, I'm trying to remember her name, but she's wearing actually the dress that Helena came in originally, which is fairly authentic as far as the design. I added this on here, and of course I added some little, you know, butterfly clips. In fact, this dress, interestingly enough, when Helena came out, one of the criticisms of this little pink dress that she came in was that it wasn't fancy enough. And if you have seen Bridgerton, you can kind of understand where that's coming from. But of course, not everybody's going to a ball all the time like they do in Bridgerton. So enough yapping. Let's check out the dolly outfit I made. Da 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 da. Okay. All right, I went with 20 Years of Love. Honestly, originally when I was, I'm the one that actually suggested this collaboration to my fellow YouTubers. I was thinking that I was going to make an outfit for one of my Ella Wild dolls, and I still might do that. I did buy a pattern for it. But then as I started working with it, you know I love the Blythe, okay? Blythe has my heart. And I realized that 20 Years of Love already has the jewelry. I mean, she already has a tiara. I did put her hair up in a bun. I'll pick her up here in a minute and give you a closer look. But she already has the earrings and the necklace. She had this amazing crown. She's got these really cool shoes that she can barely stand in. And, you know, I was like, before I make all this stuff, let's just use what I have and make her a dress. So I did. I made an underskirt to go with this little dress. The pattern is a pattern I've had for a while and I've used it before, but I just lengthened it. I added, like I said, an underskirt that has a layer of lace over it. And then I also added a belt because, as you can see from this example up here, and in this one too, typically most of the gowns have a A-line look to them a little bit, but they have a high waist right here, you know, but their waist is not at the waist. I can't remember what that's called right now, but you know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about and you know the name of it, please put it in the comments below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this a thumbs up, and also check out everybody else after you finish watching this video. So let me pick her up and we'll take a closer look at 20 Years of Love in her Regency outfit a la Bridgerton. All right, so here she is close up. Like I said, I took some pins and I turned her hair into like a bun, which is, it's doing all right. It's not too bad. That was quite a bit of an ordeal, I gotta say. I used to put my hair in a bun all the time when I took ballet, but it's been a while. And then I have, like I said, I went ahead and took her stock jewelry and just added that, and she came with this crown, so this gives her a chance to wear her pretty cool outfit. And here is the little overdress I made, and then it's got this layer of pop of pink with lace. So she has like extra layers here. These are her stock shoes, and then this little tie in the back, kind of to make it you know, a high-waisted outfit. So yeah, I like how it turned out. I'm still kind of thinking maybe I'm going to try my hand at making an Ella Wild outfit. Yeah, so it's one of those things, once you make one, you know, you start getting more ideas. But, you know, she's just a gorgeous doll, so I'm glad I got a chance to, you know, take her out of her curio, take her out of her stock outfit. She was actually wearing, what was she wearing? She was wearing the stock of Garden of Joy, and she looked gorgeous in it. She looks gorgeous in everything. But I thought, you know, I haven't really done much with her in a while, so it was her chance to shine. And yeah, I think she turned out gorgeous. Super happy with her. And she looks kind of cool with these other dollies here. So yeah, keep an eye out. Hopefully I'm going to find some time, carve out some time, and make that other pattern I got for the Ella Wild doll. But right now, this is my presentation for the collaboration of Bridgerton. I'm looking forward to season 3. I think it's supposed to be coming out pretty soon. Do you know when it's coming out, and do you watch Bridgerton? Let me know in the comments below. As usual, I appreciate a thumbs up, and have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.